Sortly has revolutionized our inventory tracking.
Morrow Meadows is an electrical contractor on the larger scale of contractors that do that type of work here in Los Angeles and other counties. They've been around for 60 years this year. They're still family owned, which makes them unique. You could still walk up to the owner's office today and go have a conversation. You feel a family atmosphere in this company because of the amount of employees they've retained with longevity here.
We track all forms of construction type equipment, in our case, light fixtures and switchgear and panel boards and whatever it would take to build the electrical infrastructure of any building or project.
We used to track and manage our inventory through very labor-intensive spreadsheets. They involved a tremendous amount of handwritten, hand entries, hand movements, storage movements, everything by hand. And we're relying on multiple employees to manually input that information on a daily process accurately, and it simply wasn't getting done. So the real answer to that question is we used to lose a lot of items, and now we don't.
Morrow Meadows uses Sortly to track all of our items that we receive for our construction installation process. All of our light fixtures, all of our switchgear, all of our transformers, any item that is needed for electrical construction.
We use Sortly now as not only a visual aid to our field installation, we use it as proof that when it got to the field, it was delivered by use of photo and tracking so that we can make sure that the item left here as it was supposed to and got delivered on time.
We store it, we manage it, and now we can say to every project manager, foreman, we know where your stuff is, and we do it with confidence. We've proven our process, and they trust us.
Sortly has improved our inventory tracking greatly. We are able to utilize modern methods of electronic QR coding. It's been very helpful for our picking staff when trying to locate items that we need to expedite very quickly to the field.
Adding Sortly was one of the greatest things that we've done in my department to create efficiency.
It's completely changed the way that we do business as a company, and it has streamlined our processes overall.
I'm very proud of all of my team members, and I'm very proud to work for Morrow Meadows. I mean, I've been here essentially a lifetime. Spending the time that we did to engage with Sortly has honestly revolutionized our process, and I know there's more opportunities as we grow together.